Hell is not a place, but a state of mind, born from stress. Synchronize each breath with the present moment and become intertwined with happiness. The law of attraction is synonymous to the law of sacrifice, in which you get in return what you are decisively choose to give up. To insist on a spiritual practice that served you in the past is to carry the raft on your back after you have crossed the river. The universe and law of attraction speak a language that knows no words, only discerning your intent through sacrifice and what you are willing to give up. All is contained within the silence of death, the quietest and the loudest sound in the universe. Life was the gift that you were given the day you were born, and in turn you are the gift to life. With nowhere to go, we have everything else to go. The boundary to what we can accept is the boundary to our freedom. Be vigilant, guard your mind against negative thoughts. Imagine that every person in the world is enlightened but you. They are all your teachers. When you blame, you open up a world of excuses, because as long as you are looking outside, you miss the opportunity to look inside, and you continue to suffer. 30 seconds of pure awareness is a long time, especially after a lifetime of escaping yourself at all costs. Happiness doesn't depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. Buddha says, once you understand that you are lost and you have to find your own way, and there is no help coming, you become responsible. The gift of truth excels all other gifts. Look not to faults of others, nor to their omissions and commissions, but rather look to your own acts, to what you have done and left undone. People suffer because they are caught in their views. As soon as we release those views, we are free and we don't suffer anymore. The best way to take care of the future is to take care of the present moment. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path.